Welcome back to the show. Today, we're looking at a profound couplet from the legendary Urdu poet Mirza Ghalib. Rachel, could you set the stage for us with this particular piece?
Certainly, Jake. Ghalib, as he often did, offers a succinct but powerful insight into human nature and criticism. The couplet reads, Ghalib, bura naman jawaiz bura kahe, aisa bhi koi hai ke sab acha kahen jase, which translates to, Ghalib, don't take it ill if the preacher calls you bad. Is there anyone whom everyone calls good?
That's quite direct. The second line, is there anyone whom everyone calls good, really hits home. What's the deeper implication here? Is it a resignation or something more? And when Ghalib refers to the wise or the preacher, is that strictly a religious figure?
That's a crucial point. It's far from resignation. It's a pragmatic and almost defiant acceptance of criticism. Ghalib acknowledges that being universally praised is an impossible standard. The preacher represents moral judgment or societal critique, yes, but it often extends beyond just a strictly religious figure. It signifies any self-appointed moral authority or critic.
So the critic isn't necessarily someone whose judgment holds ultimate weight, but rather just a voice in the crowd?
Precisely. By asking, is there anyone whom everyone calls good, he challenges the very notion of flawless reputation, suggesting that receiving some criticism is simply part of the human experience and not something to be overly troubled by. It acknowledges the universality of flawed perception.
So, it's a call to fortitude and self-acceptance in the face of inevitable disapproval, rooted in the understanding that unanimous approval is a myth. A timeless message from Ghalib, indeed.